Yeah, today is the 8th of February. This is my 2017 Ram with the 6.7 high output Cummins. My local mechanic shop that I trust just finished the Banks Monster Ram upgrade that eliminates a catastrophic point of failure on Ram trucks. They did a real nice job. Why didn't I do it myself? Mainly my back. It's very hard to get to everything, and these guys do wonderful work. Now let me show you what grid heater and why it fails. There's all kinds of YouTube videos, you can look all this up. This is your grid heater right here. This stud will corrode or the nut comes loose, and this is your intake side here. This stuff will fall down into your intake manifold and predominantly ends up inside cylinder number 6. When that happens, you destroy your cylinder and head to the point the block is not rebuildable and the head is trash. Replacement engine for this truck installed is $30,000. Up here on the top is the heater that serves the function as the grid heater. There is nothing to fall off into the intake, period. Now they asked me at Lammus, do you want to do the entire air intake system? The short answer was no. I'm not looking for a performance upgrade. I just want to trash my engine. Locally, that was $1,724 installed. The Banks unit is between $1,000 and $1,100. Depends on what kind of discount you get. But now I don't have to worry about a stud and nut falling off and destroying my engine. Why haven't they done a recall? It's bad design. They don't do recalls for bad design. It has to be safety related, like the engine dying. Piss poor design. Yeah, you bought it, you got it. So don't hold your breath on any kind of recall or refund to do this upgrade. You take it to a Ram dealership and tell them you have concerns about your grid heater. There's a wiggle check. Let me show you what that is. While everything is still installed, you can reach up underneath there and wiggle from the outside this component here. If your stud is getting corroded or loose, once you unhook it from this retainer, this will wiggle. And if it wiggles, you're fixing to have a catastrophic failure. And looking at it, here is another bolt and nut, stud and nut. And if that comes loose, again, that nut is going to wind up inside your engine. So this thing has multiple points of failure. It's really a piss poor design. And I asked the mechanic, why do I see so much carbon on this thing? I said, Amos, I don't know. I said, well, I don't either. I'll do some research, see if I can come up with anything. But yeah, this one wasn't close to failing, but you really don't know because the wiggle test is unreliable, and the only way to actually see what kind of condition it's in is to remove it completely and inspect it. If you're going to go to all that trouble, you put on a new grid heater from Ram for $1,000, it might fail, will fail, or upgrade to the Banks unit, which is what I chose to do. It's one and done. I'll never have to worry with it again. So that's how my Thursday's going. I'm gonna head back toward the house. Wife's off today. Might hang out with her. Boys up the hills doing the boys up the hill thing. It's supposed to start raining late this afternoon, and tomorrow is a 100% chance of rain now. Anyway, that's about all for this one. Thank you.